In this module, we shall conclude common simulation pitfalls and summarize. Physical layer modeling and simulation is often the most ignored part of the overall simulation exercise. It owes to the fact that mostly people who are working at higher layers of the TCP/IP are interested in understanding the behavior of their layer of interest. However, at the physical layer, any assumption which is made without giving consideration to the dynamically changing scenarios at the upper layers could have a devastating effect on the simulation goals. For example, in our one-hop communication scenario, we could assume that the link losses from the wireless computer to the access point and from the access point to the wireless computer are static. This assumption could hold true for scenarios where no mobility is involved. But if the wireless computer is mobile, or the access point is mobile, or both, in such situation, the physical layer parameters are going to change significantly. As a consequence, the static assumptions that we once made are going to make the simulation results useless. On a similar note, the physical layer radio channel modeling that involves the definition of the bit error rate and the latencies involving the propagation delay, the transmission delay, etc. If these are considered to be overly simplified, these cause to serve the Achilles heel on the simulation output. In highly dynamic situations involving fast mobility, the effects of fast fading would have a direct implication with the bit error rate and the consequent throughput and latency. But since we just assumed these to be static, this will result into wrong and misleading information of the simulation output. Well, up till now, we have looked at so many pitfalls of simulation that make the simulation literally a useless exercise. If you look at it like a jigsaw, you need a whole range of people to actually put this jigsaw in place. For today's module, I would like to conclude that to err in modeling is to suffer in simulation.